Good morning, guys. It is 8 a.m. Tim's alarm never went off, so we just woke up. And just wake up. Today is window day. The window guys are gonna be here like any minute. So I'm trying to move everything away from the windows in the whole house. Window day.
Dice. Kaiya, what a dice. What a dice, Kaiya.
Kaiya's turn. Roll the dice.
And then it's
Are you gonna get it?
And then it's Dorothy's turn.
I'm trying to play this roll and play game with the kids, and they don't quite understand following directions. All right, I guess Timmy's gonna take another turn then. All right, go ahead, Timmy. And what color is it? Orange. Let's get an orange one. Spin around 2 times. Spin. 1, 2. Good job. Oh, Kaiya's gonna do it too. Are you gonna spin?
1, 2.
She cannot do directions. Roar like a lion. Roar! Do it again.
Roar.
Kaiya roar. Kaiya do roar. I will give an update later about the windows. They are looking great. They did the upstairs windows today, and they're gonna do the downstairs windows tomorrow, which is super nice because we have the kids, and they were really considerate and said that they would just split up into 2 days so that the kids can take their naps. I didn't even ask. They just did it like that, which is awesome. Ooh, a groundhog. Kaiya and I are going to the library. They are having a trolls party. So we're gonna go check this out and see what it's all about. I know they're gonna have a lot of crafts, probably some songs. I don't really know, but let's go find out. Are you ready for the trolls party? Oh, it's not falling off, it just wobbles. Are you ready for the party? They're your flowers?
Yeah.
Give my honest opinion about the trolls party. It was good. But however, I will say they let too many kids in. They made you register for the event, and then they let other kids in, which I understand because they felt bad. I don't know, why is this beeping at me? I'm parked. Like, I get it. They don't want to turn people away, but they only had a certain amount of supplies for each activity, so Kaiya couldn't do the slime project the way that she was supposed to, and she couldn't do the headband activity. So, and she was already limited with what she could do because she's younger than everybody else. So that part kind of sucked a little bit, but all the activities overall were really cute, and it was fun, and it was free. So I really can't complain, but I guess in the future, I would just say that maybe they should stick to their registration. But we're gonna go just run into Wegmans and get some milk, and then we're gonna go home. So now we're on day 2 of the windows, and I got the kids. Say hi.
Hi, bye.
Hi, bye. I got them eating some snacks, and we're watching Mother Goose Club, surprise, surprise. But check out the new window. This is awesome because it has a child lock on it, and then, so it only stops right there. New window. And that's their truck. So exciting. the Geneseo Air Show. This is at the Warplane Museum, I believe it is called. Since Tim took his written airplane pilot test today, I don't even know if that's what it's called. I might be butchering this. What's your airplane pilot test called?
Just the written exam.
The written exam?
And it so happens to also be on today, which is the Geneseo Air Show.
Yeah,
So,
but tell them what you got on the test.
I got 95. I'm pretty happy about it.
95 out of 100. That's pretty good. So we decided to celebrate and we are at the air show. So let's see some airplanes. Roll that montage. Wait a second before the montage starts. Today is the first day of the air show, so there's really no performance going on, but the performance flights are practicing or whatever, and it's actually media day. So we're here with all the media people, and I'm going to vlog like an official media vlogger.
Chicken nugget.
Okay, go ahead with the montage.
Hauling that much stuff into unapproved strips.
Watch your step.
Why?
Because it's all on an angle.
Yeah.
So we are in a DC-3 right now. What do you think? It's cool? Alright. Look at this. Look at all the gauges. Yeah, come on up.
What are all these gates this for?
Well, it tells you how high you are, how fast you're going.
You're looking at everybody? They're looking at you. Well, if you guys noticed at the air show, Kaiya was very tired and sleepy and wanted to be held the whole time. And it was kind of really weird because she's never like that. She fell asleep on the way there and she fell asleep on the way home. But while we were there, we kind of decided maybe she's not feeling good and we didn't really have anything for her except water. So we came home and put her in the shower because she was very hot and she puked. Oh, I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. So she's been sick. Joshua had a 99-degree temperature, but he's pretty much been fine. Are you fine? You fine? Yeah. But I'm gonna end the vlog so that I can take care of my sick little baby. And I will see you guys next time. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.